Hey guys, I've been holding on to this buy trade on Crash 200 index for hours now. I took this trade yesterday, yeah, and I've been holding these buys. So how did I know this index is going to buy from these points? My entries are this zone. I see my entry here, right? I got into the trade at this point. Price played around a couple of times, but I was willing to hold on to this trade regardless of any move it gives here. So I got into the trade at this point. This candle in particular, this candle here, this bullish candle, got this move to the upside before price retraced back to this one. So on this retracement, I actually got scared because I'm buying on a crash market. Can easily get a massive crash that would stop us out. That may not even respect our stop loss. But I still held on to this trade because I strongly believed I trusted my analysis. And you can see how all this trade has been moving. Yeah, my stop loss is above my entry. More buys is expected. I got my TP level. I got a TP level at this point, which got smashed at one of my entries. Got smashed at this point, and my next target level is at this zone, this order block level on the 1 hour time frame. Right, so you can see how good this trade is moving. So how did I know this index is going to buy from these points? How was I able to predict the buy from this current price level? So coming to the daily time frame, you can see that this index has been on a downtrend. It's very much clear, right? You can see a couple of lower highs formation and lower lows formation, basically a high, lower high here, lower high. So this has been a downtrend, and we got a couple of lower lows as well. Lower lows formation, which you can see here, a low, say a low at this point, a low here, sorry, firstly, a low, under low, and under low at this point. So this is the market trend. Let's actually spot it. Let's identify where the market is headed to. This is the market trend on the daily time frame, our change resistance and our trend support level, this zone, and our trend support level at this point. So market is clearly on a downtrend on the daily time frame. So our market being on a downtrend, I was supposed to look out for sell opportunities, but I got a nice level, a nice zone. Right, you can see this level which I spotted here, this level of support in the daily time frame, which we've got previous market traction on. When we check our previous moves, you can see that we've got price react on this level historically as a support. Right, so you can see market reaction, support here, support. Checking the time we had this market reaction, it was on the 24th of May 2023, roughly 1 year now. So we got price buy on this level as a support. So spotting this level and extending it to this current structure, this current zone of the market. You can see that markets also we expected this level as a support here. So this alone gave me the buy idea on this index, right? And you can see that market is price is yet to give a test of this zone. After getting the sells to our trend support, we got price move up to this zone. Now we should expect price to do what? Come test our trend resistance level from this level, from that point. Yeah, so on the 4 hour time frame, everything's looking good as well. So I got this structure spotted. Our zone was at this point on the daily time frame, was at this point. Then on the 4 hour time frame, we got price create was series of higher lows formation, which is a bullish structure on the 4 hour time frame. So I worked with this 4 hour time frame structure, adding to the level which price was buying from, a level of support, and I was actually expecting price to come test this resistance level, because when we zoom out on the chart, you can see that there was a level here, basically at the level at this point. This index is a very volatile index, so I had about 3 inches, 0.5 lot size, because that's the lowest lot size, and 0.1 lot size inches, right? So you can see that my entry was here at this zone, was at this point, and I was expecting price to come test this zone, come test our horizontal resistance level and our trend resistance level for the sell continuation, right? For the sell continuation on this index. So this was my trade projection, basically. So the buys is what I took advantage of, is what I'm looking at for, is what I looked at for at this zone. And you can see my entries here. I had this level spotted, sorry, this was the level identified, basically, which was my entry point. So on the 4 hour time frame, I spotted this higher lows formation. I was like, if price can sell to this point, to this zone, this level of this horizontal level, which we've got market reaction and resistance here, support at this point, support here, so resistance here as well. We've got market right on this level in the past, so me spotting this level, I expected price to sell to this zone and react to it, because you have two confluences already. The first one is the trend market direction, price creating higher lows formation and higher highs formation. Let's spot it basically. Our first lows day, right? Second low, a higher low at that point. Third low here, a higher low. So price creating these three higher lows, I expected price to create the fourth higher low, as well as giving a test of this horizontal level and our trend support level. So at this point I got my entries on this index, and you can see the higher highs formation as well. I'm sure you guys know how to spot the market structure. Alright, so we got a high here, another high at this zone, a higher high, another high here, a higher high. So we got three higher highs formation and three higher lows formation. So on the fourth higher low is where I looked at for my entry points on this index. So I bought this index here on price, got into this zone, got price play around a couple of times, consolidate here before giving the buy move. And here on the 1 hour time frame, I spotted this downtrend formation, which is a good structure, also a descending channel formation would say. So I got this identified. I was like, on a break of it, I'd be getting my entry, right? I got my entry here because we got price break out of it at this point with this candlestick formation here. You can see it on the, I think, 50 minutes time frame. Yeah, we got the breakout here. Got this candle that broke out of this trend resistance. So I got my entries. You can see my buys. Let me zoom in the chart. You can see it clearly. Got the buys here. That's this one. On this candlestick break and close above, I bought this in there. So we got this little move before price retraced back. So on price retracing back, I knew that market was coming to test our trend resistance level, now turn support, as well as giving a retest of this zone that price broke out of. So you can see the retest here. Price gave the buy to the upside. So I moved my stop loss above my entry before I slept last night. Before I slept here, I moved my stop loss above my entry to stay safe in this trade. And my first TP got smashed, which was at this point basically, which was at this zone. My first TP got smashed, and second TP is on this other block level, which I'm expecting price to get to, but I'm already safe in this trade and I've paid myself in this trade. I've taken partial profit on this index. So let's just expect price to give the price to this zone, and on price getting to this point, we could get the market react to this other block level for the sales. Let's watch out for this zone for possible sell entries, guys, for possible sell opportunity on this index. We can see the formation well on the 1 hour time frame that got a nice order block formation, which is a bearish order block formation, rally based drop. So price testing here, we could see possible sells from this zone. All right, so that's my view and market analysis on this index. And if markets can actually break above this level, break past this zone, then we could get price come test this higher time frame resistance level, which is at this point for the sales. Market is on a downtrend regardless of the buys I took. I just took advantage of short-term trade opportunity, like a counter trend trade. Yeah, so let's just watch out for this index for more sells, for possible sells. And on the higher time frame as well, we can see that this has been very bullish on this week, on this bearish, has been very bearish on this weekly time frame. So there's also possibilities, because trading is the game of probabilities. We could see anything happen. The market can do anything. We just have to trade with the market and work alongside with the market move. So we could see possible breakout of this descending channel, which we can see on the weekly time frame. That downtrend we spotted on the daily time frame, it's actually descending channel on the weekly time frame. So we could see price do what, give a breakout for the massive reversal. Since this index existence, would say it's been on a decline in value. We got this index start forming at this point, we give the sales, right? Then we got this increase in value. Then since then, market has declined. Market has sold massively. Market has been on a bearish run. So we could see possible breakout of this structure for the buys, for the reversals on this index, right? So, and if market can break out of this zone here, we could get a nice bullish move, a very long bullish move on this index to this point on the weekly time frame. But that's for long-term targets, long-term view on this index. But short-term, currently on the I'm currently looking out for buy opportunities on this index. Let's see what happens basically. So that's this, guys. That's my view and market analysis, and that was also take the buy trade on Crash 1000 index. So hit the like button for more trade reviews like and market analysis. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for listening to my videos. Really means a lot, guys. Let's do more. Have a wonderful day.